Welcome, Minnie.
Oh, there's water there. Nice. And your place. So Minnie starts your Eurotrip. Minnie!
All the way from Greece to Portugal. Good luck, Minnie.
Good luck! Minnie!
Hello,
Minnie! Minnie, you need to turn with your head ahead, not with your butt. Finally, we are leaving Athens. Bye bye, Athens. And we are going to this auto service to fix again our fridge. And Minnie turned to see the view. But there's nothing to see for the moment. Here we are again. It's super hot outside, so we are waiting with Minnie here. It's hot even here in shade. Day 15 of our summer Eurotrip from Bulgaria to Portugal. I am now at the auto service office with air conditioner because outside is super hot and we came here to refix our fridge, and it seems we can't do it here because they need to order some parts that they don't have it in stock, and we can't wait. It's like about some days. We can't wait more because we have something, some deadline that I'll tell you later. So we are going from Athens with no fridge working on gas. That is the main working mode of it, but we can still use it on electricity. Let's see how we manage. Now we are finally going away from Athens. Hello. How are you? It has its own air conditioner.
Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
A refreshment stop in some local cafe. In Greece, there are some places where you can find only single-used cups, and I don't like it. So I prefer mine. We are climbing up to the mountain to get to another very beautiful beach. And here's the sea. I
Wow.
can see the sea.
Wow.
We are doing hairpin roads after we said we'll never do it anymore after Alps, but we do it again. What a beautiful place, but it's very scary to drive here. Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god.
Uh,
Wow.
you can do it, darling. Oh, Minnie, how do you feel about it? First drive, and we are taking you to so much spiral road. Wow, it's very beautiful, but Gil is super tired. Also, I'm tired, and also Minnie is tired, right, Minnie? Oh, Minnie even doesn't want to look here. And we are
Here.
almost arrived. Here we are. We came. Actually, we wanted to go there to be in the shade of this tree, but it's forbidden now to enter there. And this is the place. We are going to spend here at least this night. Hello.
Hello, love. Minnie, say hi.
Hello, Minnie. We are finishing day 15 of our summer Eurotrip, and today was day 1 of driving together with Minnie. We left Athens, we tried to fix our fridge, it didn't work, and we decided to proceed forward anyway. So we came to this place where we are now. It's called Agios Nikolaos. It's a small beach. And actually, I'm super tired. Minnie is super tired. Gil is super tired because it's super hot here. It's about today it was about 38 degrees, and now it's about midnight, but it's still around 29, 30 degrees. And inside our motorhome, it's even warmer. So we kind of suffer of this heat. But tomorrow we'll take it easy. We'll be on the beach, I guess, most of the day. So hopefully we'll recover from all this tiredness. All this tiredness. Good night.